Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to translate website to another language. Friends, if you want to translate a website to another language, then you need to search for Google Translate. Now on the top you will find the result. So here you need to click on website. Now select the language of the website. From here you will find all the languages. If you know the language of the website, then select it, or if you don't know the language of the website, then click on detect language. Now it will automatically detect the language of the website. Now here you need to select the language in which you want to translate the website. Like I want to translate the website in Hindi language. So after selecting the language, you need to enter the URL of the website. Now after entering the URL, you need to click on the arrow button. Now here you can see it has automatically translated the web page into selected language. Now I will open a post. Now here it has converted the post in Hindi language. Also you can see it has converted the links in the selected language. So friends, like this you can very easily translate a website using Google Translate. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.